Hi guys, hi friends. A very welcome to everyone to our nostalgia channel. We are here, just left from our house, and we are traveling just for a small view. Now, what is this view about? Yeah, we are going towards the sea, and which is near to our house. It's not very far. So we are going there to have a view of the sunset. It's a very beautiful view. Well, just when I say near to my house, it's not very near though. But now, as we are passing through the way over here, all across you can just see houses and curved lanes and by lanes. But yes, very soon we will be reaching out there. The much awaited sunset. Yes. So guys, stay tuned with us. So this corner here we have the Shastanada temple. Presently we have the yearly festivals that happen across in the temple. We have it now. You see a small pond towards it, and this is a temple view. It's so beautiful. It's decorated actually all with lamps and lights and all across. The best view to get this is towards once it is dark. You can see all the lights, and you can see lightning works out over there. And as I said, we are just in the beginning of the year, so we have the temple festivals going across. And here almost after a very few distance you will find the other temple, and it's like unity in diversity. You have the temple, you have the mosque, you have the church, everything very closely knitted together. A very beautiful place though. Yeah, the beautiful place Karnagapalli. What we are covering over here is the Kozhikode area out over here. Guys, let me just tell you this is not the north side of Kozhikode, but Karnagapalli Kozhikode. First, when I heard about this place, even I had a doubt, what is this place and what are they talking about? There are a lot of bumpers on the road, that's why you can almost see the car moving literally up and down. Yeah, and the driver's seat you have the Nostalgia King out over here sitting just beside to me. And yes, on our this way forward in our vehicle, how is it possible that we don't have our kids with us? There it is. Say hi.
Hi.
We have Aaron.
Hi.
We have Sharon with us. The naughty tots who are always full of energy to travel. I hope I covered them well. Well, basically those who are from this place, when they watch this video, I'm sure they will have a very in-depth nostalgia feeling that of missing or passing through this by lanes, and who are settled abroad or who are abroad, who are right now not here in Kerala and missing it thoroughly. This will surely add in a little spice, and you will feel better. You will feel the flashback memories coming in, you walking across this road and lanes, and that was such good feelings. Behind you can hear the kids murmuring. They're fighting for something or the other. They have their usual tantrums on. It's a lot of greenery, and you can see it's so beautiful. I mean, you really have this close view to watch, and you're passing across in your car. That's so good feeling. Where we are going across is towards Arikal, but not exactly Arikal. It's on the other side too. Yeah, it's Vellanathuruth.
And this is Panikarudu Palam.
Yeah, and this spot we are just going to enter onto a bridge. It's Panikarudu Palam.
Panikaru Kadavu Palam.
Panikar Kadavu Palam. I'm my sincere apologies, because basically for the wrong pronunciations. I hope you guys will, Forgive me for that.
Just crossing the bridge.
We are just
Yes,
crossing the bridge. Now you can have a view of the sea out here from here. Yes, guys. It's such a beautiful view. And see this side also, you can see boats parked across. This is the Kayal and this is the Kadal. The sea, the mighty sea. Whoa, what a view. Yeah, there are many hoardings out here. But guys, we'll give you a closer view as we are just still driving over till there. And look at it, guys, look at it. What a beautiful sight to watch. I mean, these houses which are located just beside to the sea, I mean, it's so good. People who are coming across from, flats and all, when they see this, they're like, I wish I had a house just beside to the sea. But those who are residing out here may have the other thought around, I wish I had a house somewhere else. But all in all, you have your feelings attached towards the place where you are. I don't know how is your comments going to be on his driving, but don't blame him for that. That's thanks to the roads.
The right side is full of sea.
Yeah, guys, on the left we have the houses, and on the right side I'm just trying to capture how much I can. Right side, if you see, we have the houses, and behind to that, the backyard, it's fully the sea. Yes, all over the sea. And evenings are a bliss to be here. It's so peace and so calmful. I mean, how much of a time you don't understand the clock ticking over and the time just running over. You come here around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and you come with a fishing rod or this thing, and you don't know. Yeah, and my son Aaron, he's already kept his fishing rod ready. I told him, no, we are not going for that. But no, he's ready for fishing.
What to say?
Now here we can see some excavation work going on for, this is near to Titanium, right?
Not Titanium, IRE.
Yeah, this is near to IRE, this place.
Not near to IRE, this is IRE.
This place entirely is IRE. So as I have not in-depth knowledge about this, the soil and what you find over here is very rich in minerals. Multiple kinds of minerals are found over here. And if you see this besides to the sea, I'll give you a closer view. You see the sand when you go to when you go to a beach or besides to the sea, you see the sand over there. It's brownish kind of color, very light brownish shade it's got. But this sand near to the sea where we are going right now, it's black, it's literally black. The reason that being black is due to the rich minerals that is found out over here in this place. Yes, we have reached the destination. We are very close to it. And woohoo, we have people around, kids around, boys around with football and all. We are finding out a way to park, but so friends, we have reached to our destination. We are walking across towards the sea. Here we find a small, football ground. There are boys out here who are ready to play the game. On the background you can hear the waves hitting across. So friends, as I was just describing short while ago, if you just observe the sand out here, it is black in color. That's due to the excessive presence of those minerals. We can find that. I can give you a closer view of that. There you go. So it's different, We find few fishermen with their boats out here. And wow, we are reaching towards See, Aaron out here in his spree. Sharon in her spree with their father. Say loudly.
Hello friends, this is the beach, this is the sea, that is my,
Khalas,
the mother said.
My son Aaron, he's in too much of Josh.
Yeah!
Khalas Aaron, he's very excited. He's near to the beach. As you can see, the waves hitting across the shore. And it's a real beautiful sight to be here. Wow. It's so good.
Oh guys, very super is the beach. Oh that's very fun.
Well, we have come here for the sunset, but
Oh guys,
the sun is high above. Where is the sun? Oh my god,
are there?
it's about to set. Yeah. Look at the sea. Wow, such a mighty sea.
Properly. Oh, but that side is coming. Oh, that is very, very properly. I did very, very properly.
Friends, as I said, we have come here for the sunset. Sun is about to set, and we are. It's a small beach. We are just besides to the sea, and you can see the waves. You know, it's coming across and hitting across. Kids are having a high time out here, and they are enjoying at their fullest. Friends, here to talk about this place. This place was entirely, what you see towards the shore. Towards the shore, you see there were many houses out here. But, few years back, all these houses had to be demolished, and, all had to be demolished, and the people were asked to leave this place. The reason, because this place, as I said, this area is full of minerals. The sea, the water, what you see over here, the seashore, the sand out over here, it's full of rich minerals. So what they have been doing is they have been excavating this place, and due to this, it's what has happened is kind of the sea has come up more and more. The people have started excavating the place. More and more land has been occupied by the sea, so it is dangerous for people to live besides to over here. And as you see, you can see the shore. You can see the waves hit till where this area is completely blank. You can't see anything out here. but it's got a real beautiful and scenic view. I mean, anytime you guys come out over here to this place, do visit over here. It's a very beautiful, calm and beautiful place. Not many people over here on this beach, you know. It's very beautiful. I mean, you don't find the crowd or anything. Especially in this pandemic time, when you really want to have a space of your own and you really want to be somewhere, you know, there where there is not much crowd, and where you can feel yourself and you can feel, you know, enlightened, and you can feel the cherishness within yourself. This is the best place to be, where you are over here. Guys, do visit this place. That's what I would love to suggest you all. we are done with our most awaited task. Now we are heading back home. So the sun has set and we can see clouds over in the sky, and look at the sea. Peaceful the mighty ocean is. Today the waves were not that hard. We were standing beside to the beach. We could stand out there. It was not so heavy waves that that you can't even stand and you get drifted away. Not that kind. So it was really beautiful. And here you can see big rocks, that has been placed. The reason is, once it's rainy season and all, there's kind of there's an erosion kind of the soil. It completely gets washed away. More and more area has been occupied by the sea. But we are heading back, so the glimpse of the sea can't be seen. The rocks can be seen in too much. So you must be wondering why is that so. So this is the reason for that. And this way is also so narrow enough that only one car can pass across this road. That type it is, because it's under construction. But all in all, it was a very good experience, a much awaited experience, because even we were waiting, and it's really after a long time that we found something like this. So now I'm trying hard to give you the view of the sea, but this is the road that I was explaining across. This is the way that we're heading back home. You can see the sea hitting hard out over here. There are people, sitting out here for evening watches, sitting across to the sea. And there you can feel this light breeze, coming out. You don't feel hot at all. But actually the climate over here is getting hot. But coming across to the beach, you don't feel. And even in the afternoon when you come, the sun is shining so bright. But you don't feel that. Because across the sea, you can feel the waves hitting you, and you completely forget that you are getting a suntan. Hi friends, on the way back we was talking about the Shastanara temple, and I said that there's festivities going around over here. Now we can see the rich lightnings set across towards the temple, and the temple is beautifully decorated, beautifully. See, here's a closer view of it. There it is. You can see various lightings out here. It's really beautiful, completely it is decorated, and you can see lamps also lighted out over here. This gives us a real beautiful view of the Shastanara temple besides to the lake, and there the temple is lighted across. There you can see the lightnings out here. Wow, that is really beautiful. So friends, we really hope that you have enjoyed the video and of all the sights and glimpses what we have shared with you. We look forward to come up with more and more interesting videos that we can share with you. Until then, goodbye from us. Take care. Thank you very much. Yes, we could catch a glimpse of it.